In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for Ielts preparation, a step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to configure the tool for drills, simulate realistic speaking practice, audit your essays like an examiner, and supercharge your vocabulary so you stop repeating the same words. First, route your training to the right performance tier. Look at the model selection drop-down in the top header of your chat window and choose the path that matches your task. Keep it on the instant tier when you want rapid, high-volume language drills. This is perfect for quick synonym lookups, spelling checks, grammar pattern drills, or generating fast reading comprehension flashcards. Because responses arrive in milliseconds, you can cycle through many examples quickly and spot patterns in your mistakes. When you switch to writing or speaking prep, move over to the thinking tier. This mode is built for deeper reasoning, so it can analyze essay structure, coherence, and logic, and deliver more rigorous evaluations that mirror official band descriptors. Next, turn ChatGPT into an interactive speaking partner. Paste this prompt to simulate a realistic Part 2 session. Act as a certified IELTS speaking examiner. I want to simulate an interactive speaking Part 2 session. Provide a realistic candidate cue card prompt topic regarding insert topic, e.g., a memorable journey you took. Do not output a full sample answer. Instead, give me the exact prompt instructions and a 1-minute preparation reminder. Then instruct me to type or voice input my response. Once I submit my answer, provide an honest evaluation of my performance based on fluency, lexical resource, and grammatical accuracy. Read the cue card, use the 1-minute prep reminder to outline key points, then deliver a 2-minute response. Ask for targeted follow-up tips to fix any weak areas you notice. For writing task 2, get an objective audit instead of guessing. Use this prompt. Act as a senior British Council Ielts writing examiner and essay grader. I am practicing an academic task 2 essay. The prompt question is, insert essay question prompt. Here is my draft text. Insert your essay draft here. Audit my essay and provide an explicit band score estimation from 1.0 to 9.0, broken down across the 4 official criteria: task achievement, coherence and cohesion, lexical resource, and grammatical range and accuracy. Rewrite my weakest paragraph in line to demonstrate what a band 9.0 version looks like. Compare the rewrite to your draft and revise until your structure and evidence are clear and cohesive. Finally, upgrade your vocabulary to avoid repetition. Paste. Act as an expert EAP instructor and IELTS vocabulary coach. I am writing essays, but realize I repeat the phrase insert repeated phrase/word too often. Provide a clean markdown table listing 5 high-yield academic grade alternative collocations or idioms that mean the same thing and include a realistic sample IELTS sentence for each. Incorporate 2 or 3 alternatives per essay until they feel natural. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.